Hello everyone, this is Nathan Bailey from Simplify Solutions introducing you to how to test bulk registrations and bulk transfers. You'll see the URL at the top of my page is /testing here. So if you just add that /testing on the end, then you'll be able to view these testing features. So there's two key features I'd like you to look at here. The first one is for registrations and the second one is for transfers. Please note these are only for you to use for testing. They'll never be used in production. It's just to save you some typing. So because you're going to need to test a lot of animals to be able to see if the bulk discounts work, for example up to 50 animals to see if the discount of 50 registrations in a year works. We don't want you to have to key in 50 separate animals. That would be a lot of typing. So what you can do is just type a number in that box and click on the Go button, and you'll see that my web browser is slowly loading these up. It takes a few seconds to register each fake animal that we're making, and then we'll be directed to the registration screen, similarly for transfers. So I've already been running this a few times, so we can see we've got 13 registrations ready to submit, and you can see they're all there. They've been filled in with some names and randomly been assigned sexes and breeds and colours and all of these kinds of things. So there we have 13. Now if I go to submit registration, what you're going to see is over here the actual registration count for these. So what you'll see is on the right hand side there, not just that only do we have the cost, but we also have this count. What this count is showing us is whether these animals are eligible for the bulk discount or not. So the female over 24 months or 48 months is not, but the inactive males are not. But then we can see here that the males and the females under 24 months are, and they're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're just going to add a few more so that we can see what happens with the bulk discount. So testing, and we'll add another 10. And just in the meantime, while that's running, I'll just explain that the transfer count works the same way. So you can put in a number of animals and you will get that summary screen for transfers. It will by default allocate them all to eAlpaca, but that's just again to save you some time, but you can change who they are being transferred to. Finally, these pages down here will let you just do one page with some random data, so with a dam that you own or with a dam and a SIRE authority automatically approved if you want to use those for testing. You don't need to use those, we do use them. These are the ones that are going to be more useful for you. So we're still waiting for that testing thing to load, so it takes about 5 seconds. There we go. So now we've got 23 animals, and so again we're going to go to the next page so we can see what happens. Well, you can see the prices are dropping already, but we want to see the explanation for that. So if we scroll down, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then animal number 11 starts to attract the discount. So that's what we're looking for there. So if you want to play with that and make sure that our pricing is correct, that we're correctly putting animals into the discount category or not into the discount category based on their age and sex, and that all of that is working as it should. So that is bulk registrations, and bulk transfers, as I mentioned, works the same way. So I'll just use a smaller number to make that happen quickly. If I pop 2 animals in there, you'll see that they're listed there, ready to transfer, and that, as I said, they're going to Ian today. But you can change all of that and add more animals if you like. We're just trying to save you some time in testing those bulk features. So if we go next, you'll see that the pricing is, well, because the buyer is paying. It's not there, but it would be if the buyer was paying. So that's a quick overview of the functionality that will help you test animal registrations and animal transfers.